ATCH stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I am the only person in this stock trading space that has actually has 40,000 videos documented, so I have definitely seen what's making me money and what's not. And on top of it, all I have to tell you is that ATCH, man, like even if I come here to the daily, weekly chart or whatever, it's just bearish. You know, even like beforehand, I called out that I look to take it up, to take it down. And in this case, not only did it deliver, you know, on ATCH. Well, look at the video at the time. It was sitting at clearly 374 this 2 months back. Now we're 23. So like 1 decimal lower, right? And all I have to tell you is that the likelihood that this thing kind of keeps doing the same exact thing or still melting down is quite high. And therefore, I will definitely continue to keep you updated. So let me know what is your opinion. Here's my supply zone. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.